Secretary Lareda. And good afternoon sa lahat ng mga candidates and of course our provincial government of Northern Samar. Puno po ng positive energy po ang sa loob ng Ibabaw Hall, this capital. I think my question is, ano po yung positibo ng enerhiya na kung bakit po kayo nakipag-partner the provincial government of Northern Samar? It's this positive partnership between the provincial government of Northern Samar and the Miss Universe Philippines organization.
Of course, the place itself. We want to explore more of the Philippines, especially the Northern Samar, and I think this is the time, this is the perfect time to highlight the beautiful place that you have here right now. And actually, as we were like speaking with Gov kanina, not everyone knew na Northern Samar pala has been the base from the Spaniards before. So you have a lot to be explored of. Kailangan malaman ng tao, so many history about the place, the galleon trades were here, and that's why, and also the first, the wife of Gov told us as well na parang you have this galleon trade, that's why you have this place called like Acapulco, Capul. So from Acapulco. So it's like ako, even during my history days when I was in school, hindi ito yung masyadong na-highlight. But because of this would help the province, your rich heritage and culture to be highlighted because of this event. And actually,